Hello everyone, this is Patricia. I'm going to show you really quick how I edited my picture using the GIMP program. Initially I wanted to use this picture because I'm doing a project on virtual reality. So I wanted to add something over that picture. So I opened it in layers, and after posting this picture, I click File, Open in Layers, and then I opened another picture, and is this picture right here, the one that I wanted to add on top of it. And then I open another layer to make the picture to look like this. So I made the picture to look a little bit faded, so I changed the opacity of the picture so it'll look like that this is what they see. So this is basically communicating with the visuals, that is the picture on top is showing what they're looking through their phones using the virtual reality. And I also added this text over here on the bottom. And I'm going to show you really quick how it looks right here, the before and after. Then the two first pictures, I did the same thing. I added another picture on top of it. This is a picture of the earth. And the third picture, this is how it looks before, and then this is how it looks right now. And I added text on top, and I cut this picture of a cruise, and I added it on top of the picture, and it's using the same thing, using open it in layers. Then for the Canva, I went into the website and I just picked from the templates. It was really simple, so you just click on one of the pictures and then click on elements, and I just picked some of the free pictures that were there, and I'm planning on using this for my project as well. And this is, let me see if I can show you how it looks like. It's this one right here, where I added what the kids have to do was the first thing they have to do when they access the QR codes. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and I'm going to print them out to post as posters or just to project them on a TV. And I will be doing this with other stuff that I'm going to be showing, and I'm going to be adding QR codes to access videos and virtual reality testing. And that's pretty much it. This is very simple. Using the canvas is very simple because it's really easy to follow, because you just add from the template.